Hello, nature specialists. In today's video, we are going to be using this $1,000 dowsing rod to locate water. Let's do this. I think I have something. Let's go this way. It's leading me this way. I'm going to try using this. Ah! Looks like we're here. Let's go this way. See something. I think it might be this way. Looks like it's this way. Oh, it's crazy. It feels really strong. I think there might be some water. I think we found the water. We're all good. Wait, is that an elegant? It's come to steal the water. Let me neutralize it.